I just wanted to shoot a quick video about some of the mistakes that we are seeing sellers make even in this hot sellers market. So the first thing is to make sure when you start thinking about selling your home is you enlist a great realtor like the Angst real estate team. Do your homework, do your due diligence. Just keep in mind that not all realtors are the same, and do a little homework. You can Google your realtor oftentimes, find out how many sales they have, find out if they have some reviews online, and just do a little research can go a long ways in finding the best professional out there. So that's the first thing. Just keep in mind that in this market, we are oftentimes seeing 20 to 40 offers on some of the homes out there. And if you don't have someone that's experienced that can handle that kind of volume and figure out which deal is the best, I can tell you based on several of our listings right now, we are seeing a lot of offers that come in that over-promise and will under-deliver. And that's why you're seeing a lot of homes that have gone pending come back on the market, because we're talking about waiver of appraisals and making sure there's no repairs. And then, a lot of people are hoping just to get into contract and negotiate you down. And that is not something that you need to be doing in this market. So make sure you have a great realtor in your court. And oftentimes, especially in our case, we save our clients way more money than our commission. So that's one of the good things about finding a good realtor. Second thing is we're seeing a lot of mistakes from people who own real estate investments and are thinking about liquidating, and they start talking to their tenants. A lot of people want to reward tenants that have been there for a while and try and sell the house to them and kind of skip the realtor altogether. And I can tell you that this can be a huge mistake. So what a lot of people are doing that are sellers are going to Zillow and looking at the Zestimate to find out how much their home is worth. Now, a lot of the data on Zillow is unreliable, and if you start looking around and digging into the comps, a lot of the sales are from last November, last September, and I can tell you if you are not looking at the MLS data from the last 15, 21 days and looking at pending sales around your rental property, you are making a huge mistake, and it can cost you literally a couple $100,000. That's how fast this market is looking. So make sure that you're not just looking at Zillow and you enlist your agent before you start talking to your tenant. I find it very acceptable to reward a tenant within reason. So keep that in mind. And then the last thing is Zillow. So everyone needs to know that Zillow is a brokerage now. They actually have realtors. And when you're looking on there, even if you were a buyer, let's say out there, and you call on that listing that's on Zillow, you are going to be assigned to an agent that's not the listing agent. And we'll enlist agents from around our region, and they pay thousands of dollars a month to be a premier realtor, a Zillow realtor, and then you get connected with them. So it's not necessarily someone that knows anything about the property. So buyer and seller beware of Zillow. If you like our videos, please like them and subscribe at the button above, and we'll go from there. You guys have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.